Hello guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel. Today we are going to learn how to sign in Zangi Messenger app. Let's begin with the tutorial. Firstly, open your Zangi app and make sure your internet connection is stable for smoother sign in. Let's begin. You open your Zangi app, then you can see the option of sign in. Tap on it, then they'll ask you your Zangi number. Enter your Zangi number, then they'll ask you for your passwords. Enter your password. I've copied my password, I've pasted over there. Here you can see an arrow pointing towards the right. Tap on it. There you go, your Zangi app has been signed in. Make sure you like, share and subscribe to our YouTube channel for more such content.